Welcome back to my channel, Improve Your Pronunciation with Jana. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell. It will update you for our next video. Okay, I guess you guys ready. So let's practice sound number 4 today. To produce the sound, relax your mouth and jaw and pull the tongue back and keep it high in your mouth. Okay, so one more time, relax your mouth and jaw, pull your tongue back, and keep it high in your mouth, and it will give you the sound er. One more time, er. Now let's practice sample words. I'm gonna make it slower today so that you could follow along. Now let's do word number 1, learn. Learn. Learning English is one of my hobbies. Learning English is one of my hobbies. Very good. Let's do number 2, nurse. Nurse. I like being a nurse. I like being a nurse. Number 3, stir. Stir. You should stir the sauce occasionally while cooking. You should stir the sauce occasionally while cooking. Number 4, shirt. Shirt. That is a beautiful blue shirt. That is a beautiful blue shirt. Last one is word. Word. I don't know the meaning of this word. I don't know the meaning of this word. Very good. Now, let's move on to the sentences. Please repeat after me, nice and slow. But let's try a little bit faster today. Okay, now let's do number 1. It is hard to know the truth. It is hard to know the truth. Number 2. Be careful not to burn your skin. Be careful not to burn your skin. Next, number 3. It is my first experience to travel abroad. It is my first experience to travel abroad. Number 4. Have a good day, sir. Have a good day, sir. Number 5. I like your perfume. I like your perfume. Number 6. She did the baking by herself. She did the baking by herself. Number 7. The hot weather makes me thirsty. The hot weather makes me thirsty. Number 8. I met that girl at the airport. I met that girl at the airport. Number 9. The job interview makes me so nervous. The job interview makes me so nervous. Number 10. Expect the worst. Expect the worst. Very good. You did a great job in this video. Again, as I always said, please keep on practicing. Watch the video over and over again. Feel free to practice more and more so that it will make your pronunciation better and permanent. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!